Hi everyone, you are watching Ganiyandra program on my YouTube channel Infinity Minus Infinity. So today I am going to discuss how to find out cubes of the numbers very easily. A shortcut method to find the cubes of the numbers. So here I am discussing just numbers 11 to 99, the cubes of the numbers 11 to 99. So in this method total 4 types are there. So directly we can go to the first types of numbers. So here it is, first type is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, etc. 19. Meaning is tens place 1. Everywhere tens place is 1. These type of numbers will come on that time. How to find out cubes of these numbers. Okay, for an example, we have to find out the cubes of 13. That is cube of 13. 13 cube we have to find out. So here tens place 1, unit place any number, no problem. Okay, so for that, for finding this cube, you have to mark here 4 blank places. Okay, like this way you have to mark 4 blank places. There we can substitute the values. So what we have to substitute? Here starting number is 1. Remember it, starting number is 1. Like that we have to think. First number, second number. So starting number is 1. So you have to start from here. 1 you can write here. Next, this 3 you can write a second place 3. So that starting number is 1. On that time 1 you have to write. Then next number you have to write. Then next step, here 3 is there, just to find a square of 3. 3 square is equal to 9. That you can write here. Next step, cube of 3. 3 cube is equal to, so 3 cube is equal to 27. That you can write. This is the first step. So here starting number 1, on that time 1 you have to write here. Then next number 3, then square of this number, that is 3 square 9, then 3 cube is equal to 27. Next step, you just cancel the first and this last numbers. You just cancel it, that means you just leave that number. And the remaining numbers in middle, 2 numbers are there, 3 and 9. Step like this way. 3, it's a double. Right, it's a double just below. 3, it's a double is equal to 6. 9, its double is equal to 18. That you write here. Next step, these numbers you add it. You will get the answer. Okay, so just add these numbers. Here are 27 plus 0. 27 plus 0 is equal to 27. Therefore, 7 we can write, 2 we can write. Carry over. So like that way only we will write while adding. So here 27, just write 7 here, then 2 carry over. 18 plus 2, so let a simple addition. 18 plus 2 is equal to 20, plus 9 is equal to 29. So 9 we can write 2 here. Carry over. Then 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 1 we can write, 1 will come here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So answer is 2197 will come. This one is the type 1. Type 1. 13 cube, 14 cube, 15 cube, everywhere you can use the same method for finding the cubes of these type of numbers. Next we can consider type 2, otherwise we can discuss type 2. Which type of numbers will come in that we can discuss. Type 2. So in type 2, for an example, 31 cube we have to find out. Send it 31 cube. In that, unit place is 1, otherwise last digit is 1. Last digit is 1. On that you just mark here 4 blank places. In that, last place you have to write 1. Send it here, last digit is 1. Therefore, here you have to write 1. Then just next place you have to write 3. Send it next place you have to write this 3. If it is 41 is there, 1, 4. 51 is there, 1, 5. Like that way you have to write. Same step, here 3. Next square of 3 you have to write here, 9. Cube of 3 you have to write here, 27. This is the change. Simple method for finding. Next, same method, you just cancel these numbers. Otherwise, you just leave that numbers. Then middle some numbers, two numbers are there, 9 and 3. Just to find the double, here 6 will come, here 18 will come, double of this number 3, its double is otherwise 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 9 into 2 is equal to 18, double of that number you have to write. Then the same method, add it. Okay, here 1, add it, then 1 will come, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, 18 plus 9, so that 18 plus 9 is equal to 27, 2 will come, here 27 plus 2 is equal to 29, so answer is 29,791 will come. So cube of 31 is equal to this one. So this same method you can use for 21, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81 and 91. The same method you can use for finding the cubes of the numbers. Remember one thing, so 1 to 9, so that cube of numbers 1 to 9, you have to study it properly, then only you can do these problems, because here we are finding cube of 3, so that cube of 3, that means 3 into 3 into 3, that you have to study it. Next type, that is next type is type 3. Type 3, in that which type of number will come? Example 22 cube we have to find out. What is the speciality? Both digits are same, like 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88 and 99. These type of numbers will come. How to find out? A very simple method. Just mark 4 blank places, then find the, here both the numbers are same, 2 2, just to find what is 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 8, that number you write here, every place you just write 8. If it is 33 is there, 3 cube, that you write here, 27, 27, 27, 27. Send it. 44 is there, 4 cube, 64, 64, 64, 64. This is the method. Okay, so here 22, 2 cube 8, so everywhere 8 you can write. Next the same method, just cancel last 2, send it first and last, that number you just leave it, and remaining 2 numbers in the middle, remaining 2 numbers are there, 8 8, find its double, 8 double 16, here also 16. Same method, add the numbers. Here 8, so here also 8 will come, 16 plus 8 is equal to 24, 2 carry over. Send it. Next 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, 16 plus 10 is equal to 26, 6 you can write here, 2. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Addition only, 8, 8. 16 plus 8, 24, 2 here. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 16, 26, 2 here. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So answer is 10,648. So these are some special types. And last, one more type is there for finding the cubes of the numbers, type 4. So this method, otherwise this type you can use for any 2-digit number. Any 2-digit number you can use this type, that is a type 4, very important one. Okay, for an example we can take a number 24. So that we have to find out 24 cube, entirely different from other numbers, isn't it? So 24 cube, how to find out? For that also the same method, you have to mark 4 blank places. Send it. You have to mark 4 blank places. Some other calculations also there, just listen carefully. First step, first digit 2, find cube of 2. That means 2 cube of 2 is equal to 8, that you have to write here. Second digit 4, 4 cube you find out. 4 cube is equal to 64, that you write here. Okay, so here first digit 2, 2 cube 8, second digit 4, 4 cube 64, that means last number last place, first number first place, cube of that numbers. Next step is very important. So here first digit 2, second digit is 4, 2 and 4. So we have to find out, otherwise we have to write 2 numbers here. For that first step 2, send it here, first digit 2, just to find out 2 square, then multiply with the second number, that is 4. What is 2 square? 2 square is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16, that you write here 16. Next here 2 into second digit and its a square, that means 4 square. Send it first digit square into 4, that you write here. First digit into second digit square, that you have to write here. So 2 into 4 square, 4 square 16 into 2 is equal to 32. So 32 you can write here. Next step, the same what we did just before. 8 64, just leave it. Find the double of this number 16, that 32 will come, and 32 just double it, that is 64 will come. Okay, next step, 64 here 4 you can write, then 6 will come here. 64 plus 6 is equal to 64 plus 6 is equal to 70. 70 plus 32 is equal to 102. So 2 you can write, 10 will come here. Isn't it? Balance. Next we can add these numbers 32, 16. So 32 plus 16 is equal to 48. Then 58 will come. So here we can write 8, then 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So answer is this one, 13,824. 13,824. Very simple method to find the cubes of numbers 11 to 99. So this last method you can use for any numbers, and special numbers will come. On that time you can use first 3 types. Send it first 3 types you can use for that special numbers. Okay, just do it using different numbers, you will get the idea. Just practice it, you can do it very easily. You can find cubes of any numbers very easily. Okay, we will see in next video. Till then, bye.